Namrata. I'm a holistic nutritionist, a health and wellness coach. I help busy people make lifestyle modifications for a healthier living. If you like what I say, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I come up with new simple health hacks on an everyday basis so that you can get healthier by the day. Today I'm going to be speaking about period pain. Many women experience period pain month on month, and it's so severe that they are not able to even perform their day-to-day activities effortlessly. It comes with a lot of cramps, heavy bleeding, and uneasiness, bloating, cramps in the legs and stomach and back pain, and all these kind of issues come up, and it's so difficult for them to go through their day-to-day activities. So today I'm going to be giving you some simple remedies that can help you go through periods effortlessly without actually having to have the pain. Okay. The first remedy that I'm going to tell you is an Ayurvedic remedy which has been followed for many years, and it can be done on an everyday basis so that you have complete benefit out of it. So the remedy is to use sesame oil or til oil, apply it on your abdomen and your belly button, and massage it gently in circular motions. Now this can be done on an everyday basis because sesame oil has anti-inflammatory properties, and it also has something called linolenic acid, which helps in kind of smoothing or reducing the stress around the area. So this can help in the long run when done on a regular basis, but immediate effect once you have your periods and it's very, very painful. It's time that you apply this on your abdomen and leave it for some time. Okay, you can apply it overnight, you can apply it in the morning, whenever you feel like. Overnight gives you a lot more benefit. The second remedy is something that's available in our kitchen all the time. It's called fenugreek or methi. You can soak methi for 12 hours overnight and then consume the water along with the seeds in the morning. The fenugreek is known to reduce insulin or diabetes levels, and it also helps in weight loss, but then more than that, it helps in the period pain. So consuming methi seed along with the water after soaking it for 12 hours is highly beneficial for the body during periods. So it's one thing that you should definitely consider consuming. The third remedy is to use ginger and black pepper tea. So you can grate some ginger, about an inch of ginger, add about half a teaspoon of black pepper, boil it in water nicely, filter, add honey or jaggery to it, and consume this. Okay, what happens with consuming ginger pepper tea is ginger has a property to reduce something called prostaglandin, which also helps in the regulation of your irregular periods, and at the same time it has the benefits of detoxifying and improving your digestion, so your bloating also reduces. So consuming this during your periods can also reduce your fatigue and make you more energetic during the menstruation cycle. The last and final remedy is consuming jeera water. You can add 1 tablespoon of jeera in about 500 ml of water, boil it and consume it in the place of water instead. So what happens is jeera has got anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic properties, which reduces the cramps in the body and relaxes your muscles. So that way your pain will actually start reducing when you consume this. You can consume up to 1 liter of jeera water a day. If you have inflammations apart from during periods, or you have muscle spasms or any kind of aches and pains or muscle pulls, jeera is the best remedy to consume. So you can consume it even on an everyday basis so that you never get period pain at all. So these are some of the remedies that can help you in getting rid of your period pain. If you like what I say, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I come up with new remedies that can help you on an everyday basis to make you more healthier. Thank you.